Hello everyone, welcome to LinuxSimply. In today's video, I will introduce you to a straightforward and useful command known as the host command along with some practical examples. Command is utilized for performing DNS lookups and resolving host names or IP addresses. So, let's dive right in and explore how it works. Additionally, I'm excited to announce that our new course, Linux Fundamentals, a complete guide for beginners, is now available on Udemy. If you are looking to learn Linux from the ground up, the course is perfect for you. Therefore, check out the link in the description for more details. The main purpose of the host command is to resolve the host names to IP addresses or vice versa. There are so many query types like NS, SOA, TXT, MX, and so on. These query types are used with the host command to resolve the host names or IP addresses. You can also use the reverse lookup to resolve the host names or IP addresses of servers. Now, the syntax. The syntax of the host command is simple. It is host followed by option and host name, or you can also replace the host name with the IP addresses. In case of options, there are a few options available for the host command in Linux. To check all, type man host. And this is the manual page for the host command, and you can see all the available options are listed here. And you can exit this manual page by pressing Q. At first, let's display the IP address of a host machine. Here I am using google.com as my host name. So opening the terminal and typing host google.com. Hit enter and you can see the IP address of the host name google.com. Now let's reverse the first task by displaying the hostname of the given IP address. For example, here I am using this address as the IP address. So in the terminal, I am typing host 2001:4860:4860:8888. Now if I hit enter, then you can see the hostname of the IP address is displayed. Now suppose you want to see the detailed information of the hostname. You can do so with the host command using the option -a. For example, if I type host -a and the host name google.com and hit enter, then see all the information of the host name from the DNS server are displayed. Now moving on to the DNS server query for NS or name server. Query type of hostname can be selected using the host command along with option -d. Here I will show how to retrieve the name server records to find the DNS servers associated with the hostname google.com. For that I am typing host -d NS for name server and then the hostname google.com. Press enter and look, the names of the DNS servers have been shown that are associated with the hostname google.com. Next comes the DNS server query for SOA or start of authority. Here I will again use the host command with the option -d and this command will retrieve the SOA records for the hostname google.com. So typing host -d SOA for start of authority and then the hostname google.com. Hit enter and see the command has shown the SOA records for the host google.com. Again, the host command along with the option -d and text will display the TXT or text record associated with the domain google.com. For example, I am typing host -d txt for text and the domain name google.com. Now hit enter and you can see the output shows the text record which is found for the domain google.com. Now in the seventh example, let's see how to find the hostname to an IP address with timeout using the host command with the option -W. Here I am setting the timeout of 2 seconds to resolve the hostname www.google.com. To do this, type host -W 2 for 2 seconds, then the hostname www.google.com. Then hit enter and you can see the command has found the IP address of the hostname with the timeout of 2 seconds using the host command. Moreover, if you want to find the mail servers of a domain, then you can use the host command with the option -t and mx followed by the hostname. For example, here I am typing host -t capital MX, then the hostname gmail.com. Now hit enter and see the command has retrieved the MX records that specify the mail servers which are responsible for email messages. Now, suppose you want to check the hostname of a server. The hostname command also allows you to check the hostname of a server in Linux. For that, run the command hostname. Hit enter. Look, the output displays the hostname which is Ubuntu in Linux. You can also check the IP address of a server using the hostname command with the option -i. For example, if I type hostname -i and hit enter, then you can see the output displays the IP address which is 127.0.1.1 in Linux. That's all. Now you have got to know the syntax, some functional options and the practical applications of the host command. To truly master Linux, make sure to truly understand the command and its applications. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.